Today I want to talk to you about Celestia and why I think it's one of the biggest blue chip crypto opportunities that you can get into right now. I know you're used to my DGen bets, but today we're going to talk about something a lot safer for the people who want to start moving all of these big meme coin profits into something else. This is what I am doing. It's one of my biggest holdings. Celestia is what we're going to look at today. It is pretty cheap at 16 bucks. It was just recently at $21. We're about to get into that. I've got $2,000 worth. I'm looking for this thing to maybe move down just a little bit lower back into the $15 or $14 range. One last time if we get lucky. I'm going to start moving even more meme coin profits into this. Today we are down 6% on Celestia. This week we are actually just flat. We're just flat this week, but we were up. This thing was retesting this $18 range once again. So we are potentially running out of time to load the boat on Celestia. If you want to look at the chart over here, you see all these cryptos that are massive. The XRPs and the Cardanos that people go nuts over, even Dogecoin and Cheap, they're going nuts over. These market caps are fucking insane. 30, 40, 50 million, and then you scroll way down the list, and where's my Celestia? Where's my Celestia? 47, guys. So 2.7 billion market cap, very cheap in my opinion. You guys would say it's expensive because it's not tiny little degenerate bets, which is where the money is going. Like the micro caps are going to explode a ton. But look at like Dog with Hat is already almost the same market cap as Celestia. And Celestia has pulled back recently. So, you know, like if you looked at the month, you're down 20% on the month from where this was at $21. So this could be your chance to do your research on Celestia, and I'm going to talk about the opportunities with Celestia and why you should be thinking about getting into Celestia. Now, one thing on Celestia is the Milky Way airdrop, 13% APR, and you're basically staking your Celestia in this platform to earn points toward this airdrop. You're going to get an airdrop of milk tokens at some point. This is like the Jito airdrop. Remember Jito, where all you did was stake Sol and earn points, and you got a ton. They got a ton of Jito. This is sort of like that. I made a video about Milky Way. It's an amazing opportunity. It's a great reason to hold Celestia this season because you'll be stacking a ton of points for this airdrop and earning a 13% APR. And I'm also going to get into another opportunity that we have with Celestia. If I could, no, I don't want to open that. I want to open up the actual wallet right here. I'm going to open up my wallet here, and I'm going to show you guys another opportunity. Because if you come over to this staking tab, by the way, airdrops are the biggest reason. Airdrops are the biggest reason. If you stake Celestia, Celestia stakers are getting some of the best airdrop opportunities, and a lot of them you don't even actually have to do any work. You don't have to follow any Twitters, do any whitelists, do anything. I got the Dimension airdrop. I got $4,000 from the Dimension airdrop, guys, and all I did was stake Celestia, Cosmos, Osmosis, and most of it was Celestia, and I got that airdrop. So I got hooked up, guys. This thing is going nuts over here, trying to load. It's trying to load here. But Celestia at a price like this, you know, the Celestia price target is about $200. We're looking at between $150 and $200. So from current prices, that's about a 10 to 15x. I know it's not your 50 or 100x's, but it's not for that. This isn't that play. This play is I'm going to get a 10x on the price. I'm going to stake it all. And all my staking rewards, I'm going to get like 13 to 17% in staking rewards. And all those staking rewards get paid out in tokens. So those tokens, the 17% of tokens, is 10x'd. Because those tokens will gain 10x the value if this goes to $163. And this is why I want to get it at 15 bucks. Because I know it can go to 150. That's a whole 10x. I could stake it all, and I'll earn 17% on the tokens. And if you add a 10x to that, I'll earn 170%, right? I mean, I know it makes it more complicated with the math, but it's huge. Just imagine that you earned a ton of Celestia tokens by staking your tokens this season, and those tokens are now worth $150 each, and you got in on tons of airdrops all season, and you were in on Milky Way, which can be absolutely huge. So, and then on top of that, we're looking at this right here. I'm earning 14.44% with this validator that I've got here. I don't know if other validators are going to be, which one do I have? I have Imperator. Imperator is what I'm using. I don't know if you used a different one. Yeah, see, his is 13%. It's easier to look at on a phone. Yeah, 13%. So, you know, a lot of it right now, yeah, okay, that's probably about the going rate is about 13 or 14% is what you're getting on Celestia to stake it. So it's a safe bet. It's a good token, a good project. Celestia is amazing, and people are very bullish on it. People are going to hold it all season for the airdrops, especially Milky Way. I'm going to hold this a long time. If I make big money off of Bork and Emmy, PP the Cat, all these coins that I've been talking to you guys about, I'm moving that money into Celestia. I'm going to move a lot of it in there. I'd like to get up to 500 to 1,000 Celestia tokens is what I wanted to get. And then when I stake it, I'm going to get a crap ton of rewards, and the airdrops are going to be much bigger. And at the end of it all, like, I'm selling my tokens. When I unstake them, I can sell all my tokens for 10x profits. I could take all the staking rewards, sell that for 10x profits. I'll take all my airdrops that I collected, sell those for huge profits. Do you see what I'm saying, guys? You're winning and winning and winning. And then on top of it, Milky Way is going to drop a dud on you. You're going to get the milk dud directly on top of you. So if that sounds good to you guys, smash that like button down below. That's what I'm looking at for Celestia. The all chart on Celestia, we were in price discovery. $21 was price discovery, guys. 2.7 billion market cap. And we pulled back, pulled back about 30% from there. This is a really, really strong range that we've got here. Banter was calling for this thing to hit $14 before it turns around. So I am still looking for 14 or 15, but you see it has made a bottom at 15 and it's turning around. So definitely, I would say do your research on this, see if Celestia is an opportunity you want to get into, and then you can dollar cost average into this. And you can get Celestia on, I know you can get it on Coinbase, you can get it any one of these ways, you can get it on Injective or Osmosis, and then I would put it in a Leap Cosmos wallet. Leap is the easiest in my opinion, and I would go to the stake tab and I would choose a validator. I use Imperator. Why do I use Imperator? See these commissions, 10%, 12%. I use Imperator. He's 5% cheaper, okay? And then on top of that, he's reputable. I trust him. He's not like they got 9 million in here staked. So, and you'll get in on those airdrops with this. So, and most of the time, that's all you have to do. But if you wanted to watch Miles Dusher, he's on YouTube teaching people how to like actually implement other stuff, go on websites and stuff, and use that in combination with being a staker. Me, I'm just a staker. That's why I'm in Milky Way. It's easy, you just stake it and wait. So, and that's what I'm going to do. So, yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I want to keep the video short, talk about that opportunity. Like I said, I got $2,000 in here. I'll probably add thousands and thousands of dollars in here as long as it's below $20. I'll pick it up between $14 and $16 happily all day. Right, guys? All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Take care. And by the way, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research. Please do your own research on all of this. Thank you so much. Take care.